बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़िहना फ़िद्दीन आमीन. Dear students, in previous class we learned union and intersection of two sets. Similarly, we learn how to find difference of two sets. Today we will inshallah learn how to find complement of the sets, and inshallah we will try to solve exercise 1.3. Before starting our exercise, let's see some definition. Disjoint and overlapping sets. What are disjoint sets? Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint sets if there is no common element between them. For example, if we have a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 4, 5, 6, these are disjoint sets because there is no common element in set A and B. In set A we have 1, 2, 3, while in set B have 4, 5, 6. Nothing is common between them, so such type of sets are called disjoint sets. See the next definition, overlapping sets. Two sets A and B are called overlapping sets if there is at least one element common. If there is at least one element common between them, but none of them is a subset of other. For example, A is equal to 0, 5, 10, B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. These are overlapping sets. Why? See students, here 5 is also here. Mean 5 is common between them. So according to condition, there must be at least one element common. 2 may also be common. 3 may also be common. But the second condition is, but none of them is subset of other. Subset means that all the elements of set A are in set B. Subset means that all the elements of set A must present in set B, then we will say that A is a subset of B. Now we know that all the elements of set A are not present in set B, means A is not a subset of B. Similarly, all the elements of set B are not present in set A, so we will say that B is not a subset of set A. Both the conditions are satisfied. Condition number 1 is at least one element common between them. Yes, 5 is common between them. Condition number 2 is but none of them is a subset of other. Yes, A is not a subset of B and B is not a subset of set A. Both the conditions satisfy means A and B are overlapping sets. Students must remember, in disjoint sets no elements should common between them. Nothing should be common between them. While in overlapping sets, at least one element should be common between them. See exercise 1.3, question number 1. Look at each pair of sets to separate disjoint and overlapping sets. Sets are given in this question and you have to tell whether they are overlapping or disjoint. In set A, we have A, B, C, D, E. In set B, we have D, E, F, G, H. First of all, we will see whether there is something common between them. Which thing is common between them? A is here, A is not here. B is here, not here. C is here, not here. Yes, D is here, D is also here, E is present over here, E is also here. So according to condition overlapping sets, there must be at least one element. At least means कम must कम, एक से ज़्यादा और हो सकते हैं. So two elements are common over here. We will say that these are overlapping sets. A is not a subset of B because ABC is not present in B. Similarly, F, G, H are not present in A means B is not a subset of A. We will simply say that two elements are common between them means they are overlapping sets. See part number 2. In L we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. In B we have 3, 6, 9 and 12. See whether something is common between them. Yes, which element is common between them? 6 is common between them. So we will say these are overlapping sets as L is not a subset of B and B is not a subset of LA. One element is common between them. Part number 3, set of prime numbers, set of composite numbers. Is there anything common between prime and composite? Nothing. Of course, nothing is common between them. So these are disjoint sets. Part number 4, set of even numbers, set of odd number. Is there anything common between even and odd? No. Set of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, while set of odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So nothing is common between them. Hence they are disjoint sets.